In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI sticker in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has recently introduced a new feature that you can customize your WhatsApp sticker by tapping the AI feature. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To create an AI sticker in WhatsApp, all you have to do is to first navigate to your Play Store if you're an Android user. If you're an iOS user, navigate to your App Store and tap on it. Then in your search engine, make sure to type WhatsApp and then proceed to update it. After that, continue to tap on open. This will land you on your WhatsApp app. Then make sure to select the contact that you want to send this AI sticker. In this case, I'm going to tap on this. And to create the AI sticker, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on this emoji icon. Then you have a tons of options. Make sure to select on this icon and then continue to tap on create. As you correctly see, I've been prompted that I can generate sticker with AI. Then proceed to tap on continue. In order for you to generate the sticker, you have to give it a prompt, which in other words is to describe new sticker to generate. So in this case, I'm going to type something like big eye funny chicken and then allow it a moment to finish loading. As you correctly see, it has generated some funny chickens for me. So whichever option that I want to select, I can proceed to tap on it. In this case, I'm going to tap something like this, and that's it. You have successfully created your custom made AI sticker in WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.